Welcome back to X and Paul YouTube channel. So where are we now?
We are at Wat Mayom. It's a Thai floating market.
Who are you?
I'm Lisa. I'm half Thai, half Malaysian.
Okay, so what are we gonna do today?
We're going to look around in the Wat Mayom.
Alright.
Let's go.
See you with such tired eyes, and everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
This market is all about a lot of raw food here, and they sell some stuff. Normally, what do they sell the most? Because you've been here before.
Most of the food, like Thai food, you get like here you get like chicken neck, not chicken neck, pork neck, like many Thai desserts, and then yeah, a lot of things you can get here, even perfume.
Oh, right.
Sad and cold, the wind is cold, you must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows.
So you have to buy the ticket here to go for kayaking.
Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky.
Hup, hup, hup.
Your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
It's a bit tiring, but now we are going to the Soup Cafe. Where are we, Lisa?
What?
Where are we?
We are at the Dog Country Cafe.
Uh-huh.
Near Sai Song.
Okay.
Sai Song area.
I think it's kind of sad to see the dog is caged inside, but I want to see how they treat the dog. Little puppy. Middle dog and big dog and top there. Okay.
Baby dog, and then outside. The timing they put the dog on play around. The next round is 5:30.
Puppy sold.
It's a puppy babies are upstairs.
Upstairs. see